Okay, I'm gonna sew the nose. I'm not gonna use safety eyes or safety nose. I'm going to sew the nose and the eyes. Okay, this is the magic circle right about here. I'm gonna leave the tail here. Okay, so now I'm gonna sew here. I'm gonna fill up this space here. Let's see. Oops. And get back here. This time make sure your needle is on the inside of all this yarn. On the inside of it. And from here you go over here and fill up the space here. Like this, and you have a nose. Okay, hopefully this time I will say I will not go off screen because sometimes when I'm concentrating I didn't realize I went off screen. So now you pull your needle up here, the nose here, underneath the nose here, this triangle here, and we're gonna make a smiley mouth like this somewhere here. Let's try. If I put here to here, how will it look? Will the smile be too broad? Let's see. It's like smiling from ear to ear. Is it too broad? And then I'll have another one here. Another one here. Okay, let's try. This is the part where we should not pull too tight, so to make it look natural smile, kind of natural smile. And here should be 1, 2 here, and here. So the smile would be like this. Let's try. If you think the smile is too wide, you can change it to smaller smile, but roughly I hope you get the idea. I might change it to a smaller smile, maybe from here to here. Well, I'll give it a try. Okay, I saw this on one of the posters, so I'm not sure about you. I made it smaller. I mean, it's kind of this way. It's 2 stitch away from the triangle corner here and 2 stitch away from this corner, and actually it's kind of this way. Here it's supposed to be more of a U shape. Okay. I'm gonna pull the tail a bit, and I want to make a small lips here. Let's try. No harm trying. I can erase it anytime. Come back here. Leave this tail here. And come back here and make a V, U shape here, sorry. Not V shape, U shape. So you have a tiny mouth like this, which I saw on a poster. Does it look smiley to you? You can put in the comment section. This is optional, you can just don't follow me. So I'm gonna have a small mouth like this. A tiny, tiny mouth. Does it look weird for a cat? Okay, now let me try the eye. Let's see. Just let you know, all these are optional. You can just like the traditional way of doing amigurumi, you can just add 2, you can just pop 2 safety eyes and a safety nose, and that's it. Okay, this is just my adventurous way, because whenever I come across a poster of a cat or a dog and they're smiling in such a way, that I thought, why not give it a try. Okay, the eyes is supposed to smile until it's kind of closed eyes. Let's see, if until here, would it be too long? Oh, it looks like a dog, right? I'm not sure if it's a cat or a dog. Okay. So let's give it a try. It should not be. It should be more of a curve. Okay, wait, let me see. Maybe I should add it here to create that curve. Pull this upwards. So when it's like this, I kind of curl up here. So the next eye should be here. Did it curl? It did, right? It did curl a bit. Did it look like it's having a cheeky smile? Does it look like it has a cheeky smile? I'm not sure now. It does look happy to me. Okay, maybe I will settle for this. Doesn't matter if it looks like a cat or a dog. You can put in the comment section whether you like it or you don't like it or you hate it. Or maybe you show me your version of the cat's eyes and face and all. So this is my version. So okay, I'll settle for this. Okay, in order to make it look more like a cat, I'm gonna give it some cat whisker. So I have to get the same color of the face because I need to sew it through and fro here. And let me see, whiskers should be somewhere here. Let me try. Oh no, I should come this way and come back here. Okay, I'll leave the tail here. This is a whisker. Make one stitch here. Go one stitch away. You go back here. Okay, hopefully it doesn't show much. Oops, accidentally pick up some black color. Okay, so from here I can follow this stitch, or maybe I follow this stitch, make it look like it's just you know, the single crochet thing. Okay, oh, that's a whisker. Oh, where did you go? Okay, it's still here. Okay, and let me get this out first. Okay, pull it tight and cut the yarn here. And let me see, is that long enough? Is it too long? It's too long, we can cut it away. Does it look like a lion now? Oh gosh. From a cat, it looks like a dog. Now it looks like some wolf or lion. I'm not sure. Okay. Maybe just keep it like this. And again, this is optional. If you do not want this, you can just leave it alone. Okay, I think I'll do some trimming and I'll be back. Okay, now I continue with the last row. Last row, which is row 12. I'm gonna do 2 together all the way. Or you can call it a decrease all the way. So I have 12 stitches on row 11. So now I do 2 together all around, which means I should have 6 stitches in the end. Okay, I'm gonna cut the yarn and use a tapestry needle to seal the hole. I'm just gonna sew on all the front loop, on this front loop. You have a back loop and a front loop, just go in between. And you pull. Oh yeah, and I already add stuffing before I do this. I forgot to show you. So I add stuffing inside. And this one you can just poke it anywhere. There, it's sealed nicely. If you so happen you have some holes here, this is the time you mend it. If not, you can just hide your yarn just about anywhere. Don't pull too tight or it will show. And the balance you can just hide it inside. And that's the head. You can open up the whisker if you want. Okay, now let's make the body.